So we're here at Dress My Craft and they've got two showcases. So tell us about the first one.
Okay, so hi, this is Dress My Craft, so this is Shalini and this is Darshna. So I'm gonna just start and tell you a little about this one. So I know you guys know a lot about the shrink print plastic. But this is not a normal plastic. This is called shrink print sheets and they come in frosted colors. And whatever we have done is from this basic thin sheet and they have been converted in this beautiful jewelry. I want you to know actually from the designer itself who has created this one. So she's gonna be Darshna Savla, who has actually done everything for us. So I want to make sure that she gives you enough information on the same and actually take you a tour through it.
Hi everyone. So as you can see, these are shrink print frosted sheets. They are frosted on one side and they are clear on the other side. So you can use both the sides. You can use all the possible color mediums for this. You can use, Sharpies and Copics on both the sides. You can use your soft pastels, your color pencils, your watercolors on the frosted side. You can even stamp on it. You can even die cut it. You can hand cut it. So it's very versatile and it is very soft and very easy to use. Thereafter, you can also shape them. So once you heat it, we shape it with the help of our ball tools, we have our groove tools, we have a special embossing pads for the same, and they will give you very beautiful and versatile designs. And it's not only jewelry, you can create many other pieces out of it. And you can see the shiny side and the frosted side, both will give you different look, both will give you different results. And you can see that the shiny side and the back side also you can kind of give groove lines. So you can groove your veins or the flower petals, you can groove lines on the leaves as well. You can fill in the color to highlight those veins in a contrasting color, and then you can fill in a contrasting color on the all over background. And you can see this tiny little blue flower there in the center over here, which will show you the details of it. So this is all that I have to say about.
I just want to add one thing that we have got a beautiful product called heat resistant tweezer. That's one of its own kind. Generally, when you use a tweezer, it burns your hand or the tweezer becomes very kind of hot. But we are introducing a product called heat resistant tweezer. So when you're using the tweezer, it doesn't really become hot, and it has a ceramic tip, and it's very easy to use with shrink plastic and shrink print sheets as well.
So what do we have here?
Okay, so this is our second new product showcase because we wanted to make sure that we have all the products on display, whatever you wanted to see. These are very popular ones. We call them shaker elements. So they are very versatile. You can use them for shaker cards. You can actually use them for shaker tags as well. And if you see this little tiny globes here, we are actually making a lot of key rings out of them as well. And not only that much, people, and I'm sure the children, they love slime and they're perfect for the slime, and they're not, going to hurt you. Sometimes when you use a slime with some beads or something, and when you're going to mash it, it's too hard for your skin, but they are very soft. They're made of Japanese clay. So they are very good quality. They come in individual packaging as well, and they come in combos. So when you're buying a combo and you get short of one, we don't want you to buy the combo all over again, because I know if you like kiwi, you don't want that another stuff to come along with that. So we have a single kiwi available for you. So whatever you want, all the shaker elements for you guys, for your shaker tags, shaker cards, for your nails, for any kind of decoration, for your planner things, everything is out here. So this is the most adorable thing probably for anyone who is crafting. So enjoy crafting more with our shaker elements.
Thank you.
Welcome.